Hi guys, in this video I'll be doing a 3-strand twist out on my natural hair using this cream, well, this product I should say. And if you're interested to see how long my 3-strand twist out lasts and how great the definition is, keep on watching. All right guys, so my hair is already parted in 4 sections from the wash day routine, and I am going to be starting on the back as per usual, and I already have my leave-in conditioner in. I just had to make sure that the products blended well together because we don't want flakes. I mean, who does? So I will part off this section and I will come back when I'm ready to start my 3-strand twist. All right, so here's the section that I'm going to be using, and here is what the consistency looks like. It's a kind of thick, kind of creamy-ish product because it is a gel and a cream mixed together. So this is what it looks like here, and I will rub that through my hair now. I will post, well, I will put in the description box the other videos that featured this product so that you can check them out. So I will 3-strand twist. Just a tip, whenever you're doing a 3-strand twist or a 2-strand, always make sure that your sections are equal as possible. I will also post my detailed 3-strand twist tutorial so that you can check it out afterwards.
You're some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry.
So this is what the 3-strand twist is looking like. And that is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair. So I'll be back when everything is completed. Alright y'all, so I am back with the results, and what I can say so far is that my twists do have hold, and it is a firm hold. It's not too firm to where I'd be terrified about snapping my hair, but I know that this product has firm hold because, again, it is a gel and a cream mixed together. So I will show you the results right now. So yes, these are what my results are looking like. I believe I'll be back in about 3 or 4 days, but we will see. We will see. But yes, I will be back to unravel these results, and I cannot wait to show you what my final results look like. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so it's officially been a few days after I would have done these twists, just giving my hair time to rest and enough time for the twist to really settle. So now I'm going to unravel. If you are new here, I don't unravel with oil, so I just really take my time to unravel in the opposite direction, just so that I can keep the curl.
Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh,
So this is this one undone, and I'm going to show you a close-up.
let's be goodbye, my.
So that is pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair. I may place a montage in the video, just a short one, but if not, I will see you when everything is unraveled to give my final thoughts.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright, so here are the finished results. I will show you now. Okay, so my thoughts on this product are that the product isn't the most moisturizing. I found that it does have a good amount of hold, but it is not the most moisturizing. So if you're looking for a product that has a lot of moisture, this product is not the one for you. But if you want a product with hold, definitely try this out. Although I do have some back pieces that are frizzy, the overall results are really nice and they have a good hold. So I would recommend this product if you want a product with hold, and it's also affordable. So hold and on the affordable side, good combination. I would rate this product a 7 out of 10 simply because it isn't the most moisturizing, and I know some products that have great hold but are still moisturizing for my hair strands. Mind you, it has been almost a week since my hair has been in this state, and in previous times wouldn't feel as dry as it does feel now. So I like I said, would rate this product a 7 out of 10. It is not a bad product. I do like it to an extent because it does indeed have a fold, so I am grateful for that, but it is not on the list of go-to products. But like I said, if you're interested in a product that has fold and you're not necessarily concerned about how dry your hair may feel, my hair doesn't feel like straw, don't get me wrong, but it isn't moisturized and it isn't that soft. But like I said, if you're interested in a product that has fold and that will give you definition, but you're not that concerned about the moisture component, check this out, because this may be the product for you. And with that being said, this is the end of my review. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying the gel and cream from African Pride but has no idea how it will work on their natural hair. Definitely send this video to them. And while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.